Hey guys, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon and keep it at all so that our all the videos can reach.
Hello guys, this is Explorer Nomad. Today I will be exploring the famous Taj Mahal. I shall also be adding some facts about the Taj Mahal which no one have ever told. Start with the introduction first. Taj Mahal is an ivory white marble monument on the southern bank of the river Yamuna in the city of Agra. It was commissioned in 1632 by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan to house the tomb of this favorite wife Mumtaz Mahal. It includes a mosque and a guest house and a set of formal gardens. Today I am going to tell you about the facts of the Taj Mahal that you have even not listened or no one about.
Fact number 1.
There is a very important fact. There are about thousands of rooms and cells in the Taj Mahal. The height of the Taj Mahal above the ground is same as the height of the foundation that is below the ground. There are several secret routes underground of the Taj Mahal.
Fact number 2.
Another small fact is that we consider Qutub Minar as the longest minar in India. But according to Government of India, Taj Mahal is slightly greater than Qutub Minar in height.
Fact number 3.
There is another fact that Shah Jahan wanted to make the Taj Mahal black in color, but when he aimed to do so, he was jailed by his own son Aurangzeb, and he could not fulfill his dream and live his own life in the four walls of the jail.
Fact number 4.
Do you know Taj Mahal is a chameleon? Yes, it is a chameleon. It changes its color. It is white as a milk in the afternoon. It is pink as a rose in the early morning, and it is golden in the full moon night.
Fact number 5. You should know.
The Taj Mahal is made up of different types of precious stones and jewels that are brought from abroad. There are about 20 types of sapphires that are brought from abroad by using thousands of elephants. Shah Jahan spent a lot of money for decorating his beautiful Taj Mahal for his wife.
Fact number 6. You should know.
There is another beautiful fact that when America's President Bill Clinton visited the Taj Mahal, he was so attracted and fascinated that he said a very beautiful line for the Indians. There are about two types of people in India who have seen the Taj Mahal and miss it, and who have not seen the Taj Mahal and since they have not seen, they miss it.
Fact number 7.
Another fact is that when you enter the Taj Mahal, you are welcomed with beautiful lines and beautiful calligraphy that were written in Islam.
Fact number 8.
It was also believed that before the creation of the Taj Mahal, there was a Hindu temple of Shivji which was made by Samudragupta of Gupta dynasty, and the temple was known as Tejumara and was worshipped Shiva.
Fact number 9.
Another very important and very devastating fact is that Shah Jahan was ordered to cut the hands of the workers who made the Taj Mahal so that no one can copy the same masterpiece in the world ever, and the Taj Mahal can remain unique in the world.
Fact number 10.
Another important fact is that there are treasures inside the rooms of the Taj Mahal which are below the ground. These treasures can be of a net or 250 trillion US. These treasures were not brought to the knowledge of the public and are still a mystery in the history of the Taj Mahal.
Fact number 11.
There is another very important and a very knowledgeable fact. All the fountains of the Taj Mahal work at a time, and it is very surprising that there are no pumps fitted in it. The tanks are made up of copper, and the pressure is increased in them. The water comes out and it looks so beautiful and charming and splendor.
Fact number 12.
The four minars of the Taj Mahal are tilted towards the outside in such a way that they put a salam on the Taj Mahal. But the real fact is that they are built in such a way to resist the earthquakes and cyclone and thunderstorm, and if they fall outwards, not inwards, resisting and keeping safe the Taj Mahal. Hey friends, you should like our video and subscribe our channel, which gives motivation to make video for you.